Your words are powerful, for whatever you say shapes your destiny. For every word you speak, write, or read, your mind is listening. As every word can be either positive, encouraging, or kind, or they can tear down, hurt, humiliate, and cause harm. For our words have the power to both hurt us or to heal us. As words shape our beliefs, drive our behaviors, and ultimately create our world. However, you have the power to change your world by using words consciously to create your beliefs, for you have complete control over the words you use. You control what you say to yourself every day. So become aware of what you say and the words you use, and choose them carefully every day, for they are creating your beliefs, which creates your reality. Thank you for viewing our inspirational video, and feel good. But don't forget to subscribe, and remember, your words are powerful. They can hurt or lift. So think before you speak.